Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below as well as the notification bell beside that so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. I hope you guys had a great holiday weekend. I didn't tape, so that's why I didn't have a video on Monday. But yeah, today I am doing for you a vegan pesto, and it is simple and easy. I picked some basil out of my garden, and we're going to use that to make the recipe. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, I went outside and got some basil out of my garden, as I said. So I washed it off and put it in my little spinner to get it dry. And I just left the stems on there because it's fine. You can pull them off if you want to. That's a waste to me. They're all going to get ground up. So I probably have about maybe a cup and a half. I don't know. I just got some, and I don't want to smush it down there too much because I don't want it to get stuck at the bottom. And I have grated some vegan parm here in my grater. Have it in there. I roasted up some pine nuts. This roasting of pine nuts for the pesto. Just put a cup of cup and just roast them for just until they turn brown. Just keep an eye on them. Just get a nice brown on them, and that is all that you need. It's probably about, I don't know, an eighth a cup, between an eighth and a fourth of a cup. This is probably an eighth of a cup of olive oil. I got a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then I got 3 cloves of garlic. If you're not a garlic lover, then by all means put less, but I love garlic, so I put more. But I'm going to put that in there. Put everything in here, and I hope this thing works. This is my, I don't have, my NutriBullet broke, as I told you guys, so this is the one that they gave me free when I joined some little weight loss program at work. I got a video on it. I'll link the video up there. They gave me these measuring cups and a plate, and it was with United Healthcare. I forgot what it was called, but oh gosh, there you go. I can't even get this thing off of here without it going everywhere. So I'm gonna dump half of this in here, and then I'm gonna save the other half for the end and just put it in there without doing it. And that's probably about, I don't know, maybe a fourth of a cup of Parmesan cheese as well, but that's the taste. I do know this is a tablespoon because I used it for something else, and that was all I had left. 1 tablespoon. Oh, no, it's a little bit more. We'll just put one tablespoon in there, and we'll put a little bit of this oil, not all of it. I don't want it in case it's too wet. We can always add more. Can't take away. So, usually with a cup of basil, you use like 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of oil, 1/8 cup of pine nuts. I'll link everything below. I don't like this little thing. It's kind of cheap, so to me it half works, and you gotta line it up properly. So I'm just gonna pulse it. Don't even look like it's doing nothing. The NutriBullet works well. You don't have to have a whole lot of liquid. I don't think it's doing that, y'all. It's doing a little teeny bit. Let's add the rest of this liquid and see if it helps it out. It ain't working. Let's use this little thing. You know, when all else fails, you improvise. Let's see. Give it a try. Alright. There we go. It needs a little bit more oil. So I guess it is about 1/4 of a cup. I just eyeball it, y'all. And y'all should too. Because it just depends on how much other stuff you put in here. And how thick you want it. A little bit more. I think that's enough. And then we'll add the rest of my parm. And that's it, guys. Don't you fall. Let's make sure I don't have any chunks left in here. And I don't make a lot at one time because, you know, I don't have no preservatives. I just make it as I need it. So I just get a little jar to put it in. Y'all see that? Making a mess, per usual. Oh, what's new? I'm always making a mess. And I don't waste it. When I'm marinating something, I just pour a little bit of water or lemon juice in there and shake it up, and then I pour it in whatever I'm marinating. But this is it. And you can always put a little bit more parm in here on top, because I think that's what takes it to the next level. And this parm is so good. It is that Violet parm. To me, it tastes just like real parm. Oh, guys, pepper, salt and pepper to taste. I forgot to tell y'all that. And I didn't add any in there. So I'm going to add a little bit of pepper at the end. And just a smidgen of smoked salt. I'm going to add a little bit more pepper. And that is the taste. You don't have to add any if you don't want to. And now I want more cheese, because I need it for my picture, so stay tuned. Okay guys, let's do a little taste test. I just have the little measuring spoon where I stirred it up, where I forgot to put the pepper in it. So we're just going to taste that and see what it tastes like. Parmesan cheese kicks it off. I know most people, when they make it vegan, they don't put any Parmesan cheese in it, and because yes, they don't have any. A lot of people use other nuts instead of pine nuts. I just like the original taste of how Basil Pesto tastes. I used to get that one from Costco all the time, and it's so good. And to me, this tastes like that. So, and it's so easy to make. And I got so much basil growing in my garden, and I just love it. Like I said, I still eat fish, so I take and marinate that on my salmon, put my salmon in it and marinate it. Also put it on pasta. You can also put it on tofu and marinate it in your tofu. Just add a little bit more oil in the like when I marinate things, I usually, sometimes I put it in a plastic container, and sometimes I use a baggie, a Ziploc baggie. I just chop it up however I'm going to eat it. If it's cubes or strips or what have you. I put it in the bag, and I put some extra oil in there, whatever other seasonings I want, if I want to make it a little bit spicy. And then I put my pesto in there and let it just soak up for at least about an hour or so, especially with my fish. And then I go ahead and bake it in the oven or cook it on the grill top, and it's perfect. So you guys try this. It's very easy. You can get you a little basil tree from the grocery store or start it from seed. Basil just grows and grows and grows. As long as you keep pinching off of it and pruning it to get pieces off of it to cook with, it just grows out. The more you clip it from the top, it grows out from the sides. So yeah, that is it, guys. Have any questions, check below. I leave my recipe below of everything that I use. It's gonna be a guesstimate because, of course, you know, you play it by ear depending upon how much garlic or pine nuts or whatever that you put in there, but I use the basics for what I use. Check below, and yeah. If you have any other questions, leave them below and I'll be sure to answer. And thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye. Oh, wrong side.